To complete a task assigned to you, open the task screen in the mobile app. Then, go to the My Tasks tab. Select the task you need to work on. You'll see the task's details, and you can also leave a comment if needed. To begin the task, tap the Start Task button. This will bring up a screen with the step and instructions for what you need to do. You can choose to force complete or cancel the task at any time, but doing so will record errors for the task. To complete a step, tap the Confirm button. If a checklist is attached to the step, you'll need to fill it out. The checklist might also be optional. Keep in mind that different types of points can be assigned to steps. These points can be virtual, GPS, NFC, or QR. In this example, the second step uses a GPS point, meaning you need to be in a specific location to complete the step. Let's go ahead and complete the second step. Next, we'll finish the last step of the task. To view your task completion statistics, tap the My Statistic tab on the dashboard. To see the tasks you've completed, go to Tasks My Completed. You can open any task to review the details of its completion. Enjoy using the app.